Hey, we're Mind Your Own Teen Advisory Council, and there are tons of ways to have fun here. Join us on our super speedy tour of animal art. Let's play!
Stick together!
You can jump in the colors of the rainbow.
What do you get when you cross an elephant and a goldfish?
Sunshines!
You can see the world from an animal's perspective.
It's a bird!
And you can have yourself a barn dance.
You can ride a chariot. You can create your own animal.
And you can see
You can sing a song in the rain house.
rain must be falling on my head.
Share your opinion in Teen Studio.